I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making spooky Halloween treats. Stick around.
Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Halloween is here, and while everyone's out trick-or-treating, I've got something you can make with any candy you may have laying around. I feel like most people, and leftover Halloween candy is as mythical as a vampire, you can undoubtedly find some on sale tomorrow. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own leftover Halloween candy bark, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used enough club crackers to fill a baking sheet, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and some candy bars. I also used a baking sheet lined with SilPat, a saucepan, a thermometer, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then place the crackers in a single layer on the baking sheet, covering the entire surface. In a saucepan, melt the butter and brown sugar together over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly, and let it boil until it reaches 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the hot toffee mixture over the crackers, then spread it as evenly as you can. Put the candy in the oven, then chop the candy bars. After about 6 minutes, remove the baking sheet from the oven and sprinkle the chocolate chips over the top. Let them sit for a few minutes to soften, then spread the melted chocolate evenly with a spatula. Before the chocolate sets, add your chopped candy bars. Let it cool completely, then break it into pieces. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Okay, this is scary good. The crackers give that perfect salty crunch, the toffee has that buttery caramelization, and the candy bars add their own layers of flavor. If you're looking for a Halloween treat that's easy to make and will haunt you until you've eaten it all, you really ought to try these. Welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help... There's a bug in here. You can undoubtedly...